Back on our waiting list program, we worked on all our tasks. We created a waiting list manager class. We implemented the following methods: the void add person, the string serve person, the boolean is person in list, the integer waiting list size, and the void display waiting list. We, I believe, did the requirements as well. So let's take a look at the functionality of our program so far from where we last left off here. So this is our code, and everything seems to be good here. Yeah, everything seems to be good. So let's go ahead and run our program. Yes, our method here, our main, I mean. Okay, let me see this empty parameters, our main. So that's our class and our static void. What did he say again? Empty parameter field. Okay. I don't know why it brought up that error. Sorry, I don't know why I brought up that error, but okay. Let me try 5 again. By exiting here, I want to see this a bit better. That's weird. Yeah, it seems to be working. It's exiting properly. Something. Or let me hold on, let me do something here. Let me try and call this method inside a main. I'm gonna, yeah, let's call this one. Let's see, static. Let me call that here in this main because I want to see. Let me see this again. All right, so that works. Let me exit this. Okay, so that works. Then I don't think I need this main anymore because it does the same thing. So that works. We know that works. Okay. Let me see here. So this works. So let me go ahead and save myself some lines here for now. Okay. Now let's properly test our program's functionality. So waiting list manager, let's add a person. And I'm gonna name King. Let's add another person. So we have here King added to the waiting list. I'm gonna add one more person. I'm gonna add I don't know, Mark. Yeah, we have Mark added to the waiting list. And so let me, what should I do? Let me add one more person. Let me add Jenny. I don't know. Let me add Jenny. And let me serve Mark. I'm gonna serve a person. King has been served. Wait, I didn't even select who should be served. Oh, because okay. He was first in. Okay, so he was first in line. Okay, so this is a first in, first out. Okay, I forgot about that. That's a queue. I forgot it's a queue. So queue, first in, first out. So King was served. So then we only have Mark and Jenny, and now check your persons on the list. Display waiting list. Let's let's select option number 3, and let's enter King to make sure he's not on the list. And we have King is not on the waiting list. And let's select 3 again. And let's select Mark. And we have Mark is on the waiting list. Let me select 3 again. And the reason why I want to select 3 again is I'm going to try Jenny, but with lowercase, just to make sure. I want to test something out here. Exactly. So Jenny's not on the waiting list. So that already implies that I should have this program as well as a case insensitive. Let me do this. Jenny's on the waiting list. Okay. And then let me do display the waiting list. So we have Mark and Jenny, and serve a person, then check a person, and display waiting, and then exit, right? So exit, program, exiting. All right, seems to be working. Clearly, there are some tab beats here and there that we should, some minor alterations that we should have. Let me enter nothing. Okay. And let me just exit. Okay. All right. Let me rerun this. Let me just exit. Okay. Let me test a non-integer value. Like, okay, we get a null exception, mismatch exception. Let me select what else? Let me select let me do yeah, let me select like 0, 0. Invalid choice. 11. Invalid choice. Okay. Do 3.3. Okay, that's an integer. All right. Let me fix here something real quick here. Better clear this. Let me fix something here real quick. I add a quick if here. So if scanner has next. say valid. Let's go with. All right, and then let's go with a scanner next. Right. Yeah, scanner next. This just clears. Right, clears the invalid input. And then we continue. Let me try a non-integer, right? A non-integer. Enter a number. Yeah, I'm just do like let me be polite. Enter. Let me actually exit this. So invalid input. Please enter a number. Yeah, a number. Let's run that again. Wait. Yeah. So we got that running, and then let's run that again just to make sure. Let's do something like. All right. Please enter a number. Correct. 0. Okay. And then also try 5. Exit. Okay, exit 12. Let me try empty space. Then empty space K. Or empty space 3. And then empty space. It's not on the waiting list. Let me try again. 3. Let me add a person. See, that's a problem. Nothing. So essentially, space. We gotta trim this space because space. I just entered space, added to the waiting list, and then when I do, let me check the waiting list here. Display the waiting list. Let me check the waiting list. We have essentially an invisible waiting list here. Okay. Let me exit this. Exit this. Oh, sorry. I got a telemarketer calling me here. Let me mute my phone. Sorry about that. Anyways. Okay, sorry. I got distracted a little bit here. What are we gonna do again? Let's see here. Okay, let's go to this. Yeah, so we trim. We're gonna check if We're gonna check if name is empty, and then we're gonna also trim any white spaces. Yes, invalid input. Yeah, let's see, cannot be. And let me see, turn it. Let's try that one more time. Let's add a person. Let's add nothing essentially. All right, invalid input. Name cannot be empty. Let's try again. Let's okay, and let's try adding a space before. All right, so let's do something like do like I'm looking codes. Oh, let me add a person. And let me add kink codes without space. And then let me add the same. Oh, let me add the same name. Let me add the same name here. Is already on in the waiting list. Okay, so let me display here. See this? Okay. Okay. Okay, let's do this. So when we enter the name, all right, let me say we enter the name here. Check. Let's see. Just gonna put this here. else here. The manager. And where's case number 3? We're gonna work on case number 3 as well. Okay. Let's put an if here. So basically, let me just go ahead and put this. Let's open.